Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Bluetooth and Wi-Fi interface interference uh, issues. So first of all, to fix Bluetooth and Wi-Fi interference issues, try these steps. Change Wi-Fi channel. Go out to the settings and make sure to change the Wi-Fi channel in order to get a better Bluetooth and Wi-Fi interference, right? Switch your router to a less congested channel like 1, 6, or 11 for 2.4 GHz, right? Next, use 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Bluetooth mainly operates on 2.4 GHz, so using 5 GHz reduces interference, right? Next, increase distance. Keep Bluetooth and Wi-Fi device apart to minimize overlap. Okay, and reduce any obstacles. Avoid physical barriers between your device, right, and router. Okay, and disable unused devices. Okay, too many active devices can cause any congestion, right? Congestion, and update driver and firmware. And ensure both router and Bluetooth drivers are up to date. Right? And use basically turn off any nearby wireless devices. Other wireless gadgets can interfere with signals. So let's read in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next time.